This is the highest class technology they have for drug detection. It's gonna make it safer for you guys, hopefully, where you're gonna know what you're being exposed to.
I started off as a firefighter here. I've been teaching hazmat at OCC. Somebody liked the way I taught, so I got hired by an outside private firm to go all over the country. I've probably taught this for 8 years, and I currently teach the Border Patrol and the customs officers, police officers, the military, how to use special devices to detect drugs. The name of the device is the TruNarc. It's made by Thermo Scientific. It's new to Bloomfield Township. I believe it's relatively new to Oakland County. The technology has been on the market for a while, but not a machine that specifically detects drugs. With the introduction of fentanyl, a lot of law enforcement agencies stopped testing because of some of the bad side effects of fentanyl, and they realize it's an inhalation risk and it could hurt you. With this machine, there's a laser that can actually go through the package, and you don't have to expose yourself to the products that are inside of it. That alone is a game changer.
Ammonium nitrate.
It's that easy.
It's pretty self-explanatory with a couple of safety guidelines of what you can and can't use it on. The training was helpful, showing that this can potentially cause problems. It could be dangerous if you don't use it the proper way. And Al did a great job of demonstrating exactly how it can be dangerous. Using it on substances it's not intended for could potentially cause problems. Al demonstrated how you can actually ignite certain substances, pointing it at coffee grounds or dark powders, because it is truly a powerful laser that you use.
Some drugs are pure. Usually when we're dealing with methamphetamine, but when we get into some of the fake pills, when we get into some products like cocaines and fentanyls, heroines that are cut and added to and cut and added to, the machine has a little bit of a hard time seeing the drug portion of that substance. So there's a separate test you can do where it helps you find the results. We have to do an extraction process. You have to put the drug into a solution and then use a particular device, stir the solution around, and then the machine takes out all of the other byproducts and then tries to only see the drug that's inside of it. For years, police officers have used the NIC kits, where you just see they put the drug in and there's a little change of color. And those have been great for years, but they do have a plus minus of right around 30%. So sometimes they are wrong. This machine it's either a yes or a no, and if it's a yes, it's 100% yes.
It's been extremely user-friendly, and we've been lucky enough to be able to use it pretty quickly after we all went through the training. Several days after the training, some of our officers were able to utilize the TruNarc to get a presumptive positive result on some methamphetamine that they found on someone in the township. It's really helpful for us to be able to confirm on scene same day that it is a drug, in that case methamphetamine, because now we can send that result to the Oakland County Prosecutor's Office and get charges, whereas in the past it takes months. We're a very lucky police department. We have opportunity for a lot of training. Extremely lucky to have it taught by one of our command officers at the fire department, so it's an easier environment to learn. But as a citizen of Bloomfield Township, I would feel comfortable. You have a really highly educated, highly trained police department who now has been equipped with a really interesting piece of technology to make our jobs hopefully easier and more efficient.
Using all their fields for avocados now, so that's a healthy alternative to for fentanyl. All right, same thing with cocaine. They're not